So here's a bad boy that we're going to replace right here. The compressor locked up. It did not fry, but we're still going to do a flush, get all the junk out of the system, cut the line sets back there. We're going to go ahead and install the new system in the same spot. Here's the new system. Here's everything we've got. We got some nice ice water, drinks, all that. We got some fruits and granola bars, some snacks. Had a nice breakfast. We got our water and stuff. We got nitrogen for nitrogen brazing. Got to have your gauges and hoses. You know, the bucket of water. We got our fittings, PVC. I've got, you know, my extension cord. We've got vacuum pumps. Got the recovery cylinder and recovery tank we're gonna pull out. And there's our oxyacetylene torches. So this is what it takes. We're gonna show you guys step by step. So smash that like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy today's different episode. All right, so I've got my bucket with my wet rags nearby. I've got all my brazing stuff set up right, and now let's get to brazing. So first we're gonna open the acetylene just a crack, I mean tiny, right? And then you want to make it until it starts kind of doing that and the soot goes away. Then you open the oxygen till you get a nice little blue tip. I could do it with that, but I prefer to braze hot. So I like mine to sound like a jet engine and have about a 1/4 inch tip. All right, let's get to it now. Remember to move your heat around. All right, there we go. And remember, folks, it does not take a lot of flux to do the trick right if you're doing it right. You want to direct your heat towards the coupling, not towards the smaller piece. And you need to watch it. You see how there's like a stain there? That's it being pulled into the pipes. Now we got to do the bottom side as well. So what we'll do is we put some on the top and we'll feed it around, watch. So we do like this, and then we direct it down, and we go around on the bottom, and we do the same thing. And we move this here, and we move that. There we go. And we should have a pretty solidly brazed joint now. We'll check it in a minute. But I want to make sure I could do this visually for you guys. So the bottom sometimes I have to lay down to do. All right. Move the heat. Remember, it does not take a lot of flux. Oh, see that came loose there? We'll go back to that in a second. Heat spreading pretty good. Pipe's getting real hot, so I don't have to warm each consecutive piece up that bad. I'm not doing the undersides very good because I'm just brazing so you could see. I'm gonna go back and re-hit everything. I'm just kind of doing a quick tutorial for you guys on how to braze. And see, you don't need a lot of flux. You direct it in with the pipe, with the torch. You see? It does not take a lot to seal. Easy peasy though, that's how it's done. Not too hard. You guys see how many connections I was able to do at one piece? I gotta be careful getting over this hot stuff. I could burn myself. All right, see? Now I gotta get underneath. That ain't finished. I'll show you how we do it. Oh, that wasn't too good. There we go. There we go. That's mostly done, folks. Boom. Now make sure to cool your welds off pretty quickly. And then I'm gonna go back, sand it and clean it, and then I'm gonna finish welding the bottoms. But you see, I didn't even use one full piece. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 connections. Removed the Schrader valves, nitrogen braze, clean work. All right, we'll see you guys when we get into the attic.